All right, let's roll with B. B says calculate the energy in BTUs used to heat the water for washing a load of dishes by hand. Okay, this next one, what we have to remember is that by hand we're going from 50 to 110 degrees, and we're using 20 gallons of water. Okay, so the difference between 50 and 110, we're looking at 60. So we know that there is 60 degrees Fahrenheit change. And then there's also, we have to use our conversion factors where we know 1 pound of water raised 1 degree Fahrenheit requires 1 BTU of energy. But we know this time we actually have 20 gallons of water per load of dishes that we have to do. And then we also know that 8 pounds of water is within 1 gallon of water. Okay, so when you do that, we know gallons will correspond with gallons. Okay, degrees Fahrenheit, H2O, H2O. And pounds, pounds. And we're left with BTUs per load. So 60 times 1 is 60, times 2 is 1,200, times 8, we're looking at 9,600 BTUs per load. So now we have the amount of energies that is used. Okay, so now we got to compare them. We need to compare the cost of electricity for each while using each given method. Okay, and we know that 1 kilowatt hour is equivalent to 3,400 BTUs. And the cost of electricity is 11 cents per kilowatt hour. I usually like to make it 10 cents, but that's not what they do. So we know we have 7,200 BTUs per load. And we also have 9,600 BTUs per load. And we know that 1 kilowatt hour, as it says here, 1 kilowatt is equivalent to 3,400 BTUs. And then we also know that the cost of electricity is 11 cents per kilowatt hour. Okay, and when you do 7,200 divided by 3,400 multiplied by 0.11, what you're going to get is 23 cents or 0.23. Okay. Now down here, this load is literally you're multiplying, you're bringing this down, doing the same thing, bringing this down, doing the same thing, and you multiply those, and then kilowatts cancel kilowatts, BTUs, BTUs, and it's the cost per load, dollars per load. Same thing down here. So it's 9,600 divided by 34 times 11 cents, and we're looking at 31 cents. Dollars, 0.31, or 31 cents. That's how to write it. Okay. Or. Okay. Now, what we didn't account for down here was the actual cost of the electrical dishwasher at 0.5 kilowatt hours of energy. So we have to actually take half of 11 cents, and which is 5.5, and add it to our 23 down here, plus 5.5 cents, and we're actually at 28.5 cents per load of dishes, or 31 cents per load of dishes. So it is cheaper to use the dishwasher, not by much, but it does conserve water. So.